First law of the universe: matter. Threads and Spinons Theory. First law of the Threads and Spinons Theory: like all entities within it, the universe grows continuously, and this growth drives its expansion. Explosions in the universe do not contribute to growth. They represent temporary destruction. These events lead to stabilization and ultimately contribute to the resumption of growth. Adhering to the cyclical nature of universe's evolution, breaking down the first law, growth, as the fundamental driver, the universe is designed to grow. Starting from the initial tiny thread, this growth occurs at every level, from the microscopic threads and spinons to the macroscopic stars, galaxies, and beyond. Growth is not chaotic but orderly, driven by the expansion of threads and the formation of new spinons. Explosions as temporary disruptions. Explosions, such as supernova or other cosmic events, are not growth but temporary disruptions in the system. These events redistribute matter and energy, stabilizing local systems and preparing the groundwork for future growth. The cyclical nature of growth. After explosions, the universe does not end but begins a process of stabilization and renewal. Threads and spinons reorganize and re-emerge, forming new structures such as stars, planets, and galaxies. Expansion through growth. Universes. Expansion is a direct consequence of the continuous growth of threads. This growth produces new energy and matter, ensuring the universe remains dynamic and evolving. A unifying principle. This law unifies all processes in the universe under a single principle. Growth drives expansion. This growth occurs at every level, from the microscopic threads and spinons to the macroscopic stars, galaxies, and beyond. Growth is not chaotic but orderly, driven by the expansion of threads and the formation of new spinons. Explosions as temporary disruptions. Explosions, such as supernova or other cosmic events, are not growth but temporary disruptions in the system. These events redistribute matter and energy. First, the mathematical formula. Explanation: growth contribution. The integral reflects the cumulative growth of threads and spinons over time, driving the universe's expansion. Destruction terms. The summation accounts for temporary disruptions that reduce the total growth at specific points in time. These disruptions are localized, and their effects stabilize over time. Cyclical stability. After each DI, the rate of growth RT resumes, ensuring the continuity and cyclical regeneration of the universe. Adjusted visualization of universe growth with disruptions. Special case: long-term growth. For long-term growth, assuming the disruptions destabilize and growth dominates over time. This represents an ever-expanding universe where growth ultimately outweighs the effects of temporary disruptions. Implications of the formula. The formula distinguishes between constructive growth and destructive events. It reinforces that growth is the primary driver of the universe's expansion. It mathematically defines explosions as temporary subtractions from an overarching growth process.